NC Math 1 release items number 11. Sally works at a store. X represents Sally's monthly paycheck and Y represents her monthly savings. Sally will save at least $20 more than half of her paycheck each month. She can save at most $80 more than two-thirds of her paycheck each month. Her paycheck each month is at least $1,200, but no more than $1,850. Which system of inequalities represents these constraints? And we have four choices. I won't read them all right now, but of course, you're going to pause and try this question like you always do because you're a good math student. So go ahead and pause it, see if you can figure out the answer choice. And we're just setting this up, so there's really nothing to evaluate. Okay, you have had a chance to do that. Let's go back and see if we can set this up correctly. So the correct answer, you ready for this? So first I'm not gonna tell you yet. First, we're gonna make sure that we know that at least means greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than. So when it's opening to the left, it's greater than or equal to. And then at most means a less than or equal to. At most means less than or equal to. And I bet you can probably get half of the answers reduced just by knowing that. Less than or equal to. So let's look at the question. First of all, Sally will save at least, now if I'm setting this up, 20 more than half her paycheck. So 20 more, 20 plus half of her paycheck. Well, what is her paycheck? Her paycheck. X represents Sally's monthly paycheck. So 20 plus 1/2 X. And since it's greater than or equal to, Y is greater than or equal to 20 plus 1/2 X. So first thing is, this is Y is less than or equal to. That's no good. This is X is greater than or equal to 1/2 Y plus 20. That's not how we're going to set that up. This is also X is less than or equal to, excuse me, this is greater than, but this is X is less than or equal to 1/2 Y plus 20. So honestly, I don't have to do anything other than just look at answer choice B. That's really it. That is this. You can put the 20 at the front or the end. It doesn't really matter. But we've already set up that inequality without doing any extra work. Now let's make sure we understand the other answers here. So she can save at most less than or equal to 80. So at most $80, $80 more than two-thirds of her paycheck. So Y is less than or equal to 80 more, 80 plus two-thirds, and her paycheck again is going to be X. So two-thirds X. So again, that's going to be this one. And then these last things are just constraints that you can spend at least or not as much as. And honestly, this is just you knowing your inequality symbols. So you got to know if it's opening to the left, it's greater than or equal to. If it's opening to the right, it's going to be less than or equal to. Her paycheck each month is at least greater than or equal to 1,200. Check. And no more than less than or equal to 1,850. So do you know your inequalities? If you do, I bet you can get a question or two right on the COC.